In order to assemble your heavy-duty can rack, ensure that you have all of the parts. You should have 12 screws, 6 dowels with pilot holes, 2 inner rails, and 2 outer rails, and 2 side panels. Notice that one side of your side panel has a recess that a dowel will fit in. The other side, the outside, has a countersink for your screw. Lay the side panel with the curve away from you and the recesses pointing up on the table. Take your 2 inner rails and position them over top of the recesses. Take these 2 rails and place them over top of the recesses. Take your 6 dowels and place in each hole. Ensure that they do go into the recesses. Once that is complete, take your second side panel with the curve away from you. Make sure that the dowel goes into the recess. Once you have all of your dowels in, take your screws, place in each one of the holes, use a standard Phillips screwdriver. Tighten your screws, but don't over tighten and strip them. Once you have one side complete, you can then flip this over to the other side and put your screws in there. At that point, you can adjust your center rails so that they're in the center and your cans roll down.